I move to adopt draft resolution number 164/2026, a resolution authorizing Her Honor, the City Mayor, this city to enter into a memorandum of agreement with the Department of Social Welfare and Development relative to the implementation of the Pag-abot program to families and individuals in street situation within the city of Dagupan pursuant to applicable laws and issuances. So I move. The purpose po of this memorandum agreement is to establish a collaborative framework between DSWD, the City of Dagupan, aimed at ensuring effective and efficient service delivery of the Pang-abot program to the families and individuals in street situations within the city's vicinity. Second party po commits to regularly conduct a planned and strategic reach-out operations in areas with the high concentrations of individuals and family in street situations. Number 2 is to assist the Pag-abot program delivering intermediate healthcare assistance to its beneficiaries admitted to its center. And number 3, lead in the conduct of a joint reach-out operations in coordination with the first party. Number 4, adopt the Pag-abot program approaches and methodology in handling the families, individuals, and children, indigenous people in street situations during the reach-out activity. Lead the case management of reach-out integrated clients in the municipality and provide quarterly report to the first party. And lastly, to participate in the capability building activities and other forms of technical assistance provided by the first party to ensure effective implementation program. In regards naman po with the implementation, kaya po may MOA, the parties agree to execute a program memorandum in MOA that will further describe the purpose, specific details, the parties' mutual covenants, rights, and obligations, and other terms and conditions that legally bind the parties.
Kung meron din ang Dagupan City, yes, marami po tayo. Kasama dyan ang Unaan, so Mahirap Bilay. Tumatayo na rin po ang dialysis center. Tumatayo na rin po ang maternity center. At maganda po ito sa pamamagitan ng DSWD support na itinutulak ngayon ni Ate Dani Canto. May tatlo po ang pangunahing gagawin. Number 1, assistance from hospital, no? Nearby health centers. Kinakailangan yung transportation nila, no? Magdarating po, dadagdag ang mga transport at syempre pa ang pagdadala ng mga may sakit doon. Pagbibigay ng mga ambulansya sa mga beneficiaries sa mga sentro, residential care facilities. Biro nyo po, magkakaroon ng residential facilities, no? Health facilities. So, madadagdagan po itong mga center na itinayo ng Dagupan City. At syempre pa po, magkakaroon ng access sa laboratorio, basic check-up, medicine available in the hospital health centers. So, yun po ang pangunahin at nandito po sa ilalim ng Memorandum of Agreement.
Ang Pag-abot program actually ay programa po ng DSWD. At ito naman po, as base naman po dito nga ho sa naka-attach na draft MOA, ina-adapt po natin yung Pag-abot program. In fact, nakasaad ho doon sa enumeration ng commitment ng Dagupan City Government on page 3, item number 4, adopt the Pag-abot program. Makikita po, Mr. Chair, sa draft resolution na ang target po natin dito ay hindi lang po indigent families. Ang target po natin dito ay yung mga pamilya or mga individuals na mga mahihirap na nasa kalsada. So with that number, talagang magpa-fluctuate ho yun kasi pardon the terminology, I do not know the exact word, but sila po yung palaboy, wala pong permanent address. So sometimes nandyan ho sila, sometimes wala ho sila dyan. But in the case of Dagupan City, we will address their needs kahit ganun po ang sitwasyon. But later on, hopefully we can get the initial number of clienteles, itong mga street individuals and families na matutulungan ho nitong
Abot program.
pag-abot program. In support po kay Chairperson Danny Canto, meron ho tayong programa para ho sa mga mahihirap. Ang isang maganda na lang po ay yung according kay Councilor Danny Canto,
Yung
unain so mahirap bilay. Pero itong mga gantong programa para ho sa lahat ng mga mahihirap. But this pang-abot program specifically focuses sa mga street vulnerables po.